Ford came in and helped us learn what our different options were and what it would take to be able to provide that level of service to our customers. My name's Ab Oglesby. I am the Training and Development Manager at the University of Tennessee's Municipal Technical Advisory Service. MTAS is part of the University of Tennessee's Institute for Public Service. IPS, the Institute for Public Service, is a statewide entity. We provide training and technical assistance to local governments, whether it's an elected official or employees, manufacturing and other business-related entities. Here in our new facility, we are very proud of the different technological functions such as cameras, such as state-of-the-art audio that really brings our customers into us and vice versa brings us, our speakers, out to our audiences. The different interactive monitors that we have spread around the facility in each of the training rooms and each of the breakout rooms really lets the customers be a part of the different trainings. We looked for space here in Nashville because our goal was to establish the Middle Tennessee Center first. The next step was, okay, we have an idea of the technology we want, but we don't know how to articulate that into the plan or the space that we have. Ford came in and helped us learn what our different options were and what it would take to be able to provide that level of service to our customers. We really enjoy hearing people come in and let us know how great the space turned out, how impressed they are with the technology and the offerings that we can provide. We truly are a one-of-a-kind destination now in Nashville. There's nowhere else in the city that can provide this level of technology for training events.